This video is for R.A.P training purposes only. These are the correct sounds for Manual 1. Manual 1, Lesson 2, introduces the two sounds of vowel I. The order of frequency, however, is short vowel sound first, then long vowel sound. Short vowel sound I, as in Indiana, I. Long vowel sound I, as in icicle, I. Lesson 3 introduces the sounds of consonants T, D, and P. Tennessee, T. Delaware, D. Pennsylvania, P. These three sounds are in danger of being said incorrectly. They are not T, D, and P. Those are actually two sounds, T, D, P, We teach our students to clip the sound after the first initial sound they make. T, D, P. Lesson 4 introduces the sounds of consonants N and M. Consonant N has two sounds. However, in Lesson 4, we will introduce only the first sound of consonant N, and in 9b, we will introduce the second sound of consonant N. Consonant N says N, like in Nevada, N. Consonant M says M, as in Montana, M. This is the 5 sounds of vowel A in order of frequency. Short vowel A, this is A, like in Alabama, A. Long vowel A, as in radius, A. A when followed by L and another consonant, all, as in salt. A in an open, unaccented position, and when A is in the final position, as in Alaska, A after W, all, as in Washington, all. Lesson 6a introduces consonants S and Z. Consonant S makes two sounds. Unvoiced, S, as in South Dakota, S. Voiced, Z, as in New Jersey, Z. Z makes the Z sound, as in zero. Lesson 7 introduces the sounds of consonants L and F. Louisiana, O. Florida, F. Lesson 8 introduces the sounds of consonants B, H, and K. Barometer, B. This one also needs to be clipped. It is not B, it is B. Hawaii, H. Kentucky, K. Lesson 9a introduces consonant G. Consonant G has two sounds. However, in 9a, we only introduce the hard G, Michigan, G. The soft G will be introduced in a later lesson. Also introduced in this lesson is consonant digraph NG. Digraph is not diagraph, it is digraph NG. King, Lesson 9B introduces consonants J. J, like in Jamestown, is J. 9B also introduces the second sound of consonant N. When consonant N comes before K, consonant N is going to say The two sounds of N are Nevada, tank, These are the sounds for the graphemes introduced in the Read, Apply, Perform program, Manual 1.